Hi, I like to ride my bike a lot, and sometimes I ride fast and sometimes I ride slow and sometimes I ride very hard and sometimes I ride over the water and sometimes I ride through the water. So I always need my bike in very good condition. Some things I can fix, some I can't. So I need very well trusted mechanic, and this is Vista Autotech and James. He installed my windshield.
You ride my bike, I ride your bike. Let's ride our bikes, we'll ride them all night. You ride my bike, I ride your bike. Let's ride our bikes, we'll ride them all night. You ride my bike, I ride your bike. Let's ride our bikes, we'll ride them all night. You ride my bike, I ride your bike. Let's ride our bikes, we'll ride them all night. You ride my bike, I ride your bike.
I needed pannier for my soft bags. I didn't want to spoil my beautiful bike with the crap which is available on the market. So I made my own design, custom design, which is designed exactly for KTM 2, and James executed it. I will make separate video about this. Congratulations. Thank you. And of course, the bike is the best thing what God created.